No degree? No problem. If you've been dreaming of working in Europe but don't have a university degree, this might be your best chance. As the European labor shortage worsens, especially in sectors like caregiving, construction, logistics, and hospitality, many governments are loosening their rules. In 2025, countries like Germany, Portugal, and the Netherlands are openly hiring international workers, even without formal qualifications. And today, I'll show you exactly how to land one of those jobs, right after this intro. Welcome to Terrific World. Are you a fan of our videos? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching. Let's start with 3 European countries that are actively hiring foreigners without requiring a university degree. Germany. Germany is experiencing a severe labor shortage with over 1.7 million open job positions. The new Opportunity Card, or Chancencard, allows foreigners to move to Germany without a job offer and search for work legally. You can even earn income while looking for a job. High-demand jobs include electricians, truck drivers, plumbers, caregivers, and cooks. Portugal is known for being immigrant-friendly and offers great options for job seekers without degrees. Jobs in hospitality, elderly care, cleaning, and agriculture are available year-round. You can apply for the job seeker visa or seasonal work visa. The Netherlands. The Netherlands is seeing growing demand in logistics, warehouse operations, and delivery services. English-speaking jobs are available, and agencies like Auto Jobs and Young Capital specialize in helping foreigners secure work. Here are some of the most popular and in-demand jobs you can apply for without a degree. 1. Warehouse worker. Average salary, €1,800 to €2,400 per month. Companies like Amazon are hiring in Germany, Poland, and the Netherlands. 1. Caregiver or healthcare assistant. Huge demand due to aging populations. Pay can reach €2,200 per month, and some jobs include free housing and training. 1. Hospitality staff. Hotels, cafes, housekeeping. Popular in countries like Spain, Italy, and Greece. Average monthly pay starts at €1,500, plus tips and food. 1. Delivery and truck drivers. With proper licensing, this is one of the highest paying options. Monthly income ranges from €2,200 to €3,000. Pro tip: use the EURES job portal to find verified EU jobs open to foreigners. Not all European work visas require a degree. These are the best options for 2025. Germany's Opportunity Card, Chancencard. This visa uses a points-based system that considers your age, work experience, language skills, and job field. No degree is required. You can move to Germany and job hunt legally for up to 12 months. Portugal's Job Seeker Visa. This visa allows you to stay in Portugal for up to 180 days while searching for work. It's open to many job types and doesn't require a college degree. Seasonal work visas, Italy, Spain, Greece. Perfect for agriculture and hospitality jobs during peak seasons. These visas last from 3 to 9 months and are renewable. EU Blue Card, skilled workers only. Contrary to what many think, the Blue Card isn't just for tech workers. If you're a qualified mechanic, plumber, or electrician, you may qualify based on your salary level. So yes, it is absolutely possible to get a job in Europe without a degree in 2025. All you need is the right strategy, the correct visa, and the courage to apply. Comment below, which European country would you like to work in this year? Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Terrific World for more updates on jobs abroad, immigration news, and visa opportunities.